पटवारन को बाहर
बैठ के बातें करना बड़ी आसान होता है। बैठ के बात करना ये fucking asshole प्लीज आके बोल। तुझे मैं बताऊं तू है क्या चीज? कैमरा के सामने बैठ के बात करना बड़ा आसान होता है। कैमरा के सामने
Downing street में वही प्रॉब्लम है इसका। This is ambush journalism. I'm sorry to say this is not journalism. You can't call this journalism here. She's charging towards her. She's charging towards her. So you need to get her out of here. This is ambush journalism. Stop.
Snatch his phone, man. Yes, he snatched his phone. No, he snatched his phone.
Take a step back.
You're the police here, and he snatched his phone. Oh, he snatched his phone and he run away, and you attacking him.
कौन?
Hello. He snatched his phone and you're attacking him.
Who?
He snatched his phone and the police is attacking him.
Who snatched?
I don't know. The guy from the crowd.
Which guy?
Kisne snatched you? Who snatched your phone?
Calm down.
Yeah, everything is on the
You can't talk to
camera.
me like this, man. Calm
No,
down.
I'm a journalist. Yeah, but he snatched his phone.
Do my job, man. Please, huh?
No, if you're security, you are under SIA regulation.